Hi, my name is Barack Osama bin Laden. Barack Obama.
And I am a famous wizard, Harry Potter. Here is why the UK is better than the United States.
What you talking about, Willis? There is no way the UK is better than the USA way.
We have the fish and chips. We have the Hermione. You know what I'm saying.
I feel that. But we have the Baywatch. You can't top that salad.
Man, that is good. I am going to do a spell on you. Draco likes honey.
I have blocked your silly spell. You are the one upon which the honey shall spill onto. Now I will make you eat an American hamburger with lots of cheese. And there will be no owls flying around here.
That was mean. I shall summon Dr. Octaganithus upon your head. He shall be firing his lasers on you. He will show you where the chapstick resides.
I don't think you have that kind of power. Only the guy whose name shall not be spoken. What the heck am I saying? In America we can say whoever and whatever name we want. I will slap the Voldemort upside his head.